Hi guys, Brianna Robertson here, and today I want to talk about why it is important for your business to have a lawyer on speed dial, aka General Counsel. So, if you have a small business or any business in general, you really need to have a lawyer on speed dial because you have rules and regulations that are coming out every day. If you're growing your business, you're dealing in contracts, you're dealing in negotiations, you're dealing with other people, and there's really no better person to have in your back corner to help advise you and strategize with you than a lawyer, because our job is quite literally to keep you out of trouble. And a lot of people get in trouble because they do things based off of what they think is right, and it ends up not being right at all, or making decisions that just really stabs them in the foot. So when you are dealing with negotiating contracts, when you have people that are coming up to you with, contracts that they're asking you to sign. You want to have a lawyer on speed dial that can review this contract to make sure that it's actually working for your best interest and your business's best interest and not putting you at more risk. So this is why it's good to have an attorney on speed dial. Another thing that happens when you're in business is, especially depending, like if you're in a mental health business or any type of medical business, dealing with audits or regulatory compliances. This is a big thing if you work in a field and your business is in a field that's highly regulated. You want to have a lawyer that is on speed dial that can help you with doing quarterly audits or audits of your business to make sure that you're staying in compliance, so that way you're not going to be in trouble with any type of state regulatory boards. Another reason why you want to have an attorney on speed dial is, especially if you're dealing with employees and you're hiring contractors. Well, then now you're dealing with employee relations, and how are you making decisions with hiring or firing, and employee disputes, and making sure you're not dealing with discrimination. Do you have the proper policies and procedures in place to protect you? Do you have them that are well written? Do you have contracts with your contractors, with anybody that you're dealing with, that is making sure that it's protecting you? Um, these are all things that you want to be able to have somebody on speed dial to help you whenever you're navigating this world of doing business. Another thing that is really beneficial for having an attorney in place is that if you do get sued, because it happens, if you get hit with a demand letter or a lawsuit, do you know how to respond, or in the right amount of time, so you're not waiving any defenses? So these are all good reasons why you want to have an attorney on speed dial and have an attorney be there on your advisory team. An attorney will help keep your business out of trouble, will keep it out of legal trouble, and then therefore save you a lot of money in the long run. Because trust me, you would rather have an attorney on speed dial to help you versus paying thousands upon hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars of something that you could have prevented with something as small as a policy or a contract that you have people sign that an attorney would have caught. These are all reasons why you should have an attorney on speed dial.